Let's find out.
Hello, my love. What's your name, please?
My name is Frederick Bowers.
Would you mind if I asked how old you were?
I'm 73.
Woo! What is it that you're going to do for us today?
I'm going to do breakdancing.
Breakdancing.
What's he gonna break?
How long have you been breakdancing?
5 years.
Okay.
I'll taught myself.
What would it mean to you to perform in front of the Queen at the Royal Variety Show?
I would be honoured to show what I can
Great.
Good for you, Fred. Well, whenever you're ready.
Come on, Fred.